If you're new to the machinery industry, how do you pick a laser cutting machine? There are so many components on the machine, how should you choose its wear-prone spare parts? 1. Reducer. Flange reducers are recommended. Shaft-mounted reducers should be avoided. A reducer uses a gear structure to lower the high rotational speed of the motor and convert it into higher torque, enabling more precise movement of the cutting machine. Based on different output types, reducers fall into two categories: flange output and shaft output. Flange reducers feature an integrated disc flange that locks the gears. They distribute stress evenly and deliver exceptional rigidity, allowing them to withstand high acceleration. Their only downside is a higher cost compared with shaft-mounted reducers. 2. Linear guide. We recommend Class P guides instead of Class H. The linear guide is a steel rail that supports the crossbeam of the cutting machine, which can be compared to railway tracks for trains. Its core functions are guiding the cutting head, bearing the weight of the crossbeam, and reducing friction during movement. There are 5 precision grades for linear guides. UP is superior to SP, which is superior to P, then H, then C. Class P precision meets the daily operational requirements of laser cutting machines. If you prioritize cost performance and do not have stringent processing precision demands, Class H is also a viable option. 3. Rack. Opt for ground racks instead of milled racks. The rack is installed alongside the linear guide. It meshes with the reducer to transmit power, converting the rotary force of the motor into linear motion for the gantry system. For ground racks, the tooth surfaces are precision ground with grinding wheels after heat treatment, resulting in minimal tooth pitch error and smooth tooth surfaces. Milled racks only undergo milling without grinding on the teeth, which will lead to loss of precision over time. 4. Leveling feet. Choose clearly heavy-duty ones. Most high-quality leveling feet made in China are coated with black paint, while unpainted silver-colored ones generally use insufficient raw materials. 5. Dust cover, also known as accordion cover. This part may seem trivial to mention, yet it's infuriating that some manufacturers cut corners on it to offer lower prices with no regard for quality standards. It must be fireproof. Otherwise, molten metal splashes generated during machine operation will burn right through it, and in the worst cases, trigger fires. It baffles me why any supplier would skimp on such a critical component. When purchasing equipment, be sure to ask suppliers for a clear, definite answer regarding this part. We have detailed video breakdowns of all the above key components on our YouTube channel. If you're interested in these parts, feel free to subscribe and check them out. Follow Zoryor to avoid costly pitfalls when purchasing laser cutting machines.